my lovely creative soul, and welcome back to Sasa Stitch. Today we are going to bring a little bit of that flower power joint right into your home with a super adorable project, a crochet bell flower coaster. You know, there's just something about flower, isn't there? Their vibrant color and delicate petal have a magical way of brightening our day and bring a lot of smile. Imagine having that little boost of happiness right here, there on your coffee table or desk, keeping your drink cozy and look absolutely charming. Before we dive into all the fun, if you are new here, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any our future cozy and creative adventure. And for all my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for continued support and for being part of the Sasa Stitch family. And now please grab your hook and your favorite yarn. Let us make very crochet some serious cuteness. Let us get started. Now we will make the center here by the white yarn. We will start with a magic ring. Magic ring, then go up 2 chain, 1, 2. Then we make into the magic ring 12 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12 double crochet, we'll close the magic ring and make one slip stitch here. We finish row 1. In row 2, we make 2 chain, then make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, and 1 chain. Then we continue to make more 11 times until end of the row with 2 double crochet in the same stitch and 1 chain. After finish row 2, we make 1 slip stitch here and go to the row 3. Row 3, we go up 2 chain also, and then make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, we make 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1, 2. And we make 1 chain. Then we repeat more than 11 times till the end of the row with 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the same stitch and 1 chain. And after we finish row 3, we make 1 slip stitch here and go to row 4. Row 4, we go up 2 chain. We will make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1 double crochet. In the next stitch we make 1 double crochet, and in this stitch we make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, and we make 1 chain. Continue the same till the end of row 4, and we make 1 slip stitch here to finish row 4. Row number 5, we make 2 chain, and we make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 1 increase. It means 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. And 1 chain. Then we repeat till the end of the row. And when we finish, we make 1 slip stitch to finish row 5. And now we go up to the row 6 with 2 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this we make 2, 1, 2, 1 chain, and we repeat till the end of the row. And when we finish row 6, we make 1 last slip stitch here and fasten off, cut the yarn. In this size, I will finish from row 6, but if you want to make your coaster more and more big, you know how to increase, huh? We make every stitch double crochet, and in the last we will make the increase. So we will make same like this if you want to make it bigger. And now we finish one step. Finish the white one. Now we will make the dark green here. Now we will choose one from here. Connection. We'll make 1 chain and go back to make 1 single crochet. Make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. We skip 2, 1, 2, and make 1 single crochet in this, and then we make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and skip 2 and make 1 single crochet from here, and we continue 23 times more till the end of the row. After we finish row 1 of the green, we will finish by that look, and here we will make 1 slip stitch here to finish row 1, and we go to row 2. We make 1 chain and then 1 single crochet in this hole, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, then we make more 4, one chain, 2, 1 chain, 3, 1 chain, and 4 double crochet. Then we make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and make in the same hole 1 single crochet. So we finish one. Then we move to the next hole here. We will make 1 single crochet inside the second hole. Then we go 6 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we skip 3, 1, 2, 3. From here we make 1 single crochet. Make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3 chain, and make 1 here, 1 slip stitch. So we finish 1 and 2. We repeat this circle till the end of this row. We will meet each other when we finish the row. And this is how it looks when we finish row 2 of the green one. So when we finish like this, and we make 1 slip stitch here and cut the yarn. And now we will make the main part of our crochet today. In this I use 3 color, white, green and purple. But in this today we will make the simple with 2 color, white flower and purple flower. We will choose the dark color to make flower first. Okay, we will start with the purple one. Okay, we will start to choose any petal here to make flower. We will choose this to start. We make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over and pull off the loop 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we make 1 time. Make 1 chain and yarn over and make another. Both 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull 1 time. Make 1 chain. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we make 6 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 1 time, make 1 chain and another hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull off 1 chain. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull 1 time, make 1 chain. We finish 1 petal, 5 petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 chain, and we start to. I will make again, huh? we will roll the flower like this, and then we make one slip stitch here. Then we will finish row 1 of the flower. In the next row, we will make one chain. We will make in the between of the petal here, the big hole here, we will make one single crochet, two double crochet, 1, 2, and one single crochet, then we repeat with another space with one single crochet, two double crochet, and one single crochet. Next, one single crochet, two double crochet, and one single crochet. Next, one single crochet, two double crochet, one single crochet. Next, one single crochet, two double crochet, one single crochet. We finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the last one. One single crochet, two double crochet, and one single crochet. And then here we make one slip stitch and fasten off, cut the yarn. But we make a little bit long, because here we have a very big space. We need to connection like this, so the flower will be complete. Every flower we should finish it all. We connect from this part. To this part here. Make it connection together, and we hide the yarn in this. And we cut. So we already finished the flower. And then we make white flower here, purple flower here, to continue on this. And I will see you when both of us finish. And here we are. You see, after we finish to make white flower and purple flower, this can be a coaster, or it can be a flower to give for the person you love. Now I see a lot of flower, but after make it make me very happy. I would love you feel the same. And thank you again for joining me today. I wish you have a very beautiful, lovely blossom day. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.